we're gonna make a little bit practice a bit. It's always good to set a problem for yourself and just try to practice programming somehow. Let's make a simple calculator and say we can have like multiplication and addition and other stuff. So let's say printf enter two numbers, enter two numbers, and then we say int x, int y, and then now we use scanf. There is a function called scanf that we can put the ampersand to store that value that we take from the console and put it inside the variable and say so scanf basically is a function that we can use, and we can take an input from the user and put it assign it to x or any variable. So here we are getting a integer, so we should use modulus d, and we should store it in should take also another number, and we should store it first one in x and the second one into y. Now what we have to do, we can increment, we can add this to integers, say printf say d x plus y. You just want to add these two numbers, get two numbers from the user and add them. Let's see how it works. Enter two numbers, 2 and 3. Boom. We have 5. So we just added these two numbers. We can try another number. You can say like 4 and 5. And then so on. Now let's do like a division or multiplication. We can just change this to like, let's say multiplication. We can say two numbers, 3 and 4, and then we get 12. We can also do this for division. We say this slash, then we do this 3 and 1, we get 3. Notice that if we write like 1 over 3, this is gonna give us 0. Why? Because again, this is an integer, this is a whole number, and 1 over third as a whole number for compiler is 0. If we say double or float, let's say float, and then if we try to divide these two numbers, we should get a good result. 1 over 3. You see, it gives us the decimal result for that. And we can also do this for minus. We can just say minus. And this is how we can just make a simple calculator for ourselves and yeah, make some other stuff. So we learned about the float and other stuff.